A versatile solution for dynamic spaces is explored in this video, showcasing how PDLC glass can revolutionize a presentation hall. The transformation allows for instant privacy and display capabilities, offering a compelling upgrade for modern environments. A cutting-edge display solution for impactful presentations is explored. The transformative power of PDLC glass is explored, showcasing its ability to revolutionize modern boardrooms. The cutting-edge applications and benefits of this innovative material in professional settings are demonstrated.